When rescuers arrived at this submerged car, its occupant hadn't been seen for over an hour. The fire service used ropes to pull the vehicle upright. It was only when the passenger side surfaced that rescuers and onlookers had a reason to hope.
Somebody alive in there.
He had survived thanks to an air pocket within the car. Rescuers had time to hand in a life jacket, but just as the man put it on, fire crews lost control of the car. After a few frantic minutes, rescuers managed to wrench open the door. Amazingly, the man stood up and was finally dragged to safety. He was taken to hospital, but suffered only minor injuries. El Hamrizi, BBC News.